Hey YouTube, what's good? What's poppin'? What's happening, gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys know me, my name is Dakota. And if you guys do know my gang, if you're not part of that gang, then go subscribe to join. That's what that's on, period. As you guys can tell by the title of that video, today you guys are going to be coming along with me on a productive day to school. Nothing extravagant. I don't have work today. I'm going to be taking Instagram pictures. I told you guys I'm going to get back consistent with posting, so that's what I'm doing. It's currently 6:35 a.m. and I have to curl my hair, so I kind of need to go fast, so I'm not going to do too much talking. But of course, getting ready for school. I take my showers at night, so my day starts with putting on my clothes. This is a pretty big fit. You guys gotta stay tuned for the TikTok. Go ahead, follow that TikTok at Breezy Green. You guys gonna see what's customized in this fit, but I'm still gonna show you guys. So I'm just gonna go get dressed, and then we're gonna hop into the rest of my morning routine. Okay, guys, so I'm dressed, but I'm not really much of a talker in the morning, so I'm gonna explain what I'm about to do. I'm gonna brush my teeth, glue my lashes, and then I'm gonna move into the room to curl my hair and put on my accessories. I'm gonna be out the door. So it's not much to my morning routine, especially because my night routine consists of everything I have to do, really. So maybe I'll do a video on that, but we're just gonna go ahead and get into this. Thankfully today I have a black day, so my day should be pretty easy at school. And we don't have much work because we're going on spring break at the end of this week. I do have some vlogs coming with that because I have some very exciting things coming. I'm super excited for it. So I'm honestly trying to wrap this week up, but let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. 7:05. And we're about to leave out because it's 7:05. Jazzy has like 8 alarms that be having me flipping out the whole time I'm getting ready. This is not the final look. I didn't even put on like accessories. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys once I get to school, or once I get on a bus or something, or once I get on a bus stop. But I'm gonna leave out. The girls is giving what they need to give.
Indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
So guys, we got 1 week till spring break here.
1 week. 1 week.
For the splits.
Okay, y'all, so I'm out second period. It was study hall, so I wasn't gonna record, especially because like first period I barely recorded because I actually had to do work up in there. But in study hall you don't gotta do anything, so I was just chilling up in there. I honestly was in a very good mood, but I woke up with something specific on my mind. I just can't wait for me to go ahead and go into spring break so I can give my contribution to my grandma, because that's, you know, who I woke up just heavily on my mind today. So I was in that class just really feeling it. Wasn't in a mood to record, but like a week exactly, I'm gonna have what I'm gonna have. You know, she's gonna be with me all the time, so I don't want to spoil it, so I just need y'all to stay tuned. Right now I am going to Algebra 2, and this class is like in the mid of the class. I go to what's that thing? Lunch. So I'm gonna probably see y'all in lunch. You got work today?
Hell no.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go over here. This class been pretty easy.
And I'm going to add 25 on both sides of the equation. I'm going to color code it as I go, too. Plus 25. Hopefully you guys see that I just added 25 to that equation up above.
I'm in Algebra 2. We actually was in a class today and we just went over the concept, and I'm already done with my homework, done with the warm up. So I don't have much to do once we get back from lunch. We have like an hour and a half, so I'm gonna be chilling basically. Like I said, because it's a Black day, I have fairly easy classes, and this class especially, like we go over everything we do before we do it, so pretty easy. We have like 2 minutes until we go to lunch, and I do have lunch today with Jazzy, so I'm gonna be seeing her in her frame. And I'll see you guys then.
If you listen,
That's how I know I need to stop eating, because sorry, I used to never could be able to do a double chin, like. Yeah, I'm gonna call my boyfriend while I'm at lunch though. Oh my god, y'all actually finna meet my mans too, so not too much, but that's coming real soon. It was all in my face. Boo, the fuck.
But yeah, can't wait for y'all to, you know, see him, meet him. He talking about he want to start a couples channel. We gonna see about that. Y'all gonna see about that. Honestly, I'll make it. So I'm in my last period and I'm ready to go home at this point. I'm over it. My curls still held though, so I ain't that disappointed right now, but I'm tired. I haven't got a nap. I didn't even get a nap in my last hour and a half because I was up texting people and my mama called me.
Crazy story. Freaking power went out.
I'm looking forward to this week ending. I got a project to do up in this class, but the project is all about me and my character traits, so it ain't gonna be hard. That's about it that I'm doing in this class. I'm just writing bulletin points and describing the bulletin points and nothing important, but I might let you guys in on these conversations because it's psychology and he talks about everything, like literally everything that you can talk about in here. He'll talk to you about it, so because we date Friday. So today in psychology, we are literally watching ASMR videos. Isn't it satisfying, huh? I've been sitting here almost falling asleep the entire time because I need a nap. But like, if I get to the crib and I don't get a nap, somebody's gonna get punched in the face. Period. But yeah, it hasn't been much of a conversation today because everybody's just watching the ASMR. It's very satisfying. And we get out of school in like 25 minutes. So I guess I'll just be watching this until we get out. And I'll see you guys when I'm on the bus. Also, I didn't close this video out yesterday, but I hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me for school because I did take Instagram pictures that day. But obviously it's the next day because I took a fat nap when I got home and I've been taking naps all day since I got to school. So I wasn't able to catch up with you guys earlier this morning, but I do have work today and I am getting a couple pimples on my face. So I really need to do a pamper video before I go on my vacation at the end of this week. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell a friend about whose channel. Mine. And without further ado, I'll see you guys next time in my very next video. Bye, ladies.